The second way to get out of that is to say, listen, let me look back at the successes in my life. What have I done that was successful? For me, I went to university. We crossed an ocean in a small boat. I spent 13 years in a corporate environment as a human resource manager. We did organic farming. We had an organic farm. I did day trading for a 4-year period. I played a lot of gaming. I played all the classics, all the legends, Witcher 3, Skyrim. That was absolutely great. Then there was, now I'm currently playing Farming Simulator, all the Assassin's Creed ones, and Fallout 4, all of those. Now, I also know that that is my escape. Whenever I need time for me, then I go and do gaming. That does relax me. Now, here's the thing about looking back. Look back in your life. If you're sitting in a corner now, being all negative and having despair, and seeing that your new project is not going your way, look back. I told you all my wins. However, if I look at those wins, I can tell you now, they were full of challenges because I had a positive mindset. Not obstacles. You think about obstacles if you have a negative mindset. Now, all my wins had huge challenges, and I overcame them by doing my affirmations, by having the correct mindset, by being there each and every second playing the game, by picking up. I'm here now. I came here to sit down and to sort myself out